Tacos are delicious. This is Sancho's Authentic Mexican Restaurant, and it's the closest Mexican restaurant to our offices in Boulder, Colorado, about a half mile away. This is the taco test. This is the 2018 BMW X3 M40i, and it has one of BMW's latest iDrive infotainment systems, so it's time to see how quickly it can deliver us to our favorite taco place. Alright, so we need something to compare this BMW X3 to, so I'm going to use my Google phone and Google Assistant to find Sancho's by asking for the closest Mexican restaurant. Then I'm going to time it with this stopwatch so we can compare it to the X3 in a bit. Closest Mexican restaurant.
Here it is. Sancho's Gun Barrel Mexican Restaurant.
Here it is. That took 5.03 seconds for Google to find Sancho's. So let's try it out in the X3 and see how quickly it goes. So I will start the timer now. Closest Mexican restaurant.
Sancho's Authentic Mexican Restaurant, 6545 Gun Park Drive, Boulder. Say yes, or select another entry from the list.
Yes, please.
Sancho's Authentic Mexican Restaurant, 6545 Gun Park Drive, Boulder was selected. Guidance has been started.
Well, would you look at that? I stopped the timer when the entry came up. It was 8.72 seconds. Not too bad, and we were even delivered our information with a lovely British accent. Let's go get some tacos. So how did the X3 do on the taco test? I would say it passed with flying colors. The voice recognition worked, the finger typing worked, and the little scroll wheel all worked to get us to tacos. iDrive can be interacted with in more than just voice control. You of course have this little scroll wheel that includes a touchpad in which you can draw the letters. So we're going to try that out as well, just to see if this system is effective in more than one way at finding us tacos. We're going to enter new destination and we'll quick search. And then we obviously can scroll around with the wheel here, but we can also just type in the letters with our fingers. So we'll go, we'll search for Mexican because that seems a lot easier than typing out the whole thing. So M E X
T.
No, that's a D. X
I C A N.
Oh, there it is. Look at that. We found it.
Prepare to turn left.
Oh, look at that. Okay. So that works. And then we'll go back to the menu, hit navigation, and enter a new destination. Just for the sake of comparison, we'll try it with the scrolling wheel to see how much easier that is. So we'll go M E X I C A N. Well, that's pretty easy too. Okay, so you can find Sancho's 3 different ways with this BMW X3 M40i with the iDrive system. I have consulted the handy-dandy owner's manual to learn about the gesture controls that are available for the iDrive system, and there's a number of different gestures you can use. So if you take one finger and rotate it in a circular motion, it will turn up the volume if you rotate clockwise. Rotating counterclockwise turns down the volume, kind of cool. You can activate the voice control, and then use one finger to select by poking at the screen.
To turn left.
You can use a backslapping motion, like so, to terminate an action. Last but not least, when you go into reverse, it'll pop up the 360-degree top-down camera, and what you can do is you can take 2 fingers and pinch, and then drag around and move the camera to see where you're going. Thank you guys so much for watching our taco test series. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just supposed to be a fun little series where we go enjoy some tacos and test out navigation systems to see how well they work. Be sure to come back to TFLnow for more videos like the taco test, and please be sure to thumbs up, subscribe, comment, notification bell, all those good things. We'll see you next time.